Hey lovelies, so there is a secret delta mining hack that I've been overlooking, and now I want to share it with you guys. It's a way to mine that you can see any extra once delta coin is listed. Now this is something you should start immediately to this video. This delta mining update was made available about 2 weeks ago, and like I said, I've been ignoring it because I didn't see the usefulness. But guys, it's very useful. So this is my delta mining app, and this is how the interface look like. Just stick to the end of this video because there's something I'm going to explain to you guys about this total number of people. So you want to stick to this video to the end of this video and watch everything. Now, if you are not yet mining delta app, are you joking? So the link to mine is in the description box of this video and also in my first pinned comment. Or if you're on my Telegram channel, you will see the link in the Telegram channel. I think I should be flagging my Telegram community name on every video. Yeah, because a lot of people will just ask me where is the Telegram community link and all that. So you come here, you click on this USDT. You are actually mining USDT. Or let me say, you are mining USCT, which is going to be converted to USDT. It's very simple. Now let me show you what I mean. If you look at this place, this is the pending USCT I have, and then it's going to be it's going under like review. They're going to review it. Let me click on this icon that is here. Let me click on this icon that's here. That's icon. It says this is a pending amount. It has not been confirmed yet. It has not been verified yet with the advertiser. Once it is confirmed, it's going to be transferred to your USCT record. It's going to be transferred to this place, to this particular place. So once this pending, yeah, it says pending. Once it's confirmed with the advertiser that, oh, this particular person actually did this, is going to be converted to year and you're going to now earn it here. Then you will not be able to withdraw on a set date, which delta mining app is yet to release. So what does this simply means? Let me come down here to this place that shows UTC mining. Click on this. If you click on this arrow button here, you will see what it is. They said USDT is a global popular US dollar stablecoin which can be easily converted into sovereign currencies of various countries on the world's mainstream cryptocurrency exchanges. Yes, we all know that. Then USCT, which is what we are actually mining in this dashboard on Delta, is a temporary measurement value of USCT mining income. In other words, it's like you are mining other coins that you need to convert to USDT at the end of the day. Like you're mining, let's say, ton, and you're going to convert it to USDT later. So you're mining another coin that you need to convert to USDT later. So that's what USDT is. The full name is USD credits. USD credits. So, and finally, it can be converted into USDT according to the actual settlement quota and distribution rules of the advertising platform and in corresponding proportion. This USCT mine is a traffic advertising monetization function. Underline this: traffic advertising monetization function. In other words, you are to watch ads to accumulate this mining that is pending. You have to watch ads within the delta mining app to accumulate this. Now leverage the huge user base of the data community to provide multiple benefits for advertisers, data developers and miners. So some people place ads on the delta mining app. They place ads with developers, and developers, okay, go ahead, we have a large community base, go ahead, drop your ads, they reach an agreement, and that is what you are seeing here. This is what you are seeing here. Then they said is designed purpose to provide a certain amount of effective income for absenteeism in the early stage of the data ecology that has not yet formed and flourished. At the same time, it also provides a certain amount of financial support for developers to ensure that developers can continue to provide development services for a long time and eventually to be able to realize all the planning of the white paper. All this you can read them on your own, but what I want to explain from here is that this USCT that we're mining from ads is temporary. That is, they are not sure if it's going to run for a long period of time, so you need to key into this immediately, like ASAP. Then the distribution rules, this is one I want you to concentrate. So I want to show you something. The distribution rules are designed so that 40% of the total income will be used as developer technical service commissions, and the remaining 60% will be used as community absenteeism reward. What this means is total profit that's going to be earned from this ads mining activity is 100%. Right? Then that 100% is going to be shared into two parts. One is 40%, another is 60%. 40% is going to the developers of this Delta mining app. Then 60% is going to be coming to the community, that is you and me and our referrals, your referrals. Now, this absenteeism reward part adopts a multi-level distribution model similar to DTC, and this absenteeism reward are divided into 3 shares according to the ratio of 6:3:1. What this simply means is everyone on this mining app is going to earn from this program in this order. That is, if I refer you, I'm going to earn. Then if you refer a third person, you are going to earn from the third person. I said, and 60% of that absenteeism reward for one UTC mining each time is allocated to the absenteeism who is currently watching the advertisement. 30% is allocated to the superior recommender. That is, if I refer you and join via my link, 30% is going to be allocated to me, and 10% is allocated to the second level recommender. That is, if you now go and refer somebody under my own referral tree, 10% will be allocated to you. So that's why I say everybody wins, everybody ends. So in the same way, you can also get the same recommender reward from the friends you recommend through UTC mining. So the more you refer, the more you are going to earn. It's as simple as that. So they say the advantage of such multi-level distribution is that anyone can obtain a relatively large amount of USDT benefit by developing an offline team. Now, listen, we have a Delta security mining group on Telegram. As I usually say, if you're not on our Telegram channel, you are missing out big time. Just the way we created a Pi security circle is the same way we have a Delta security circle. And to join the Delta security circle is just simple. Just join the Telegram channel and click on the pinned message in the channel. You are going to see the criteria to join our Delta security circle. So Delta's developers are saying that anyone can obtain a relatively large amount of USDT. That is, when this USCT is converted to the USDT, you can obtain a large amount of USDT benefit by developing an offline team. So joining a security circle means you are developing an offline team. Guys, take your security circle on this Delta mining app very serious. So now, what do you now need to do? Once you come to this dashboard, you are going to see this 3. This 3 means that you have 3 ads to watch, every 8 hours. So in a space of 24 hours in a day, you have 2 sets of ads to watch. It simply means in 8 hours you have 3 ads to watch. In the next 8 hours you have 3 ads to watch. So if you have 24 hours in a day, it means in 16 hours you have 6 ads to watch. It's as simple as that. Hope you understand. So in every 8 hours of a day, you have you have 3 ads to watch in every 8 hours. It's that simple. So what you need to do is just to come here, and before you click on that, once you've run your 3 ads for the first 8 hours, you're going to see this time that is showing. It's going to be a countdown to start counting down to the next 8 hours. So you come here, and one thing again is try to just set an alarm that will remind you every 8 hours to come here and watch ad. The more ads you watch, the more mining of USCT on the Delta app you're mining. So if you come here and you click on this play button, yeah, they're going to load and pop up ads. Now you can see that this ad is running, right? If you want to listen to what the ad is saying, which to me is unnecessary, you can come here and click on this icon. Then you will listen to what the ad is saying, like you get the voice of what the ad is saying. And if the ad interests you and you want to go ahead and maybe look at the ads, what it's all about, or look at what is in the ad, you just click on the get button. But on no account, there was a cancel button here. On no account, you click on this cancel button. Don't. Just allow the ads play a thing till it ends like this. So that this is stable, nothing is moving. So once it's that there's no graphics moving here, you can now come here and click on cancel. So now I've cancelled, I've watched one ad successful. You cancel again, and then it brings me here. Now you see that it's now showing 2 ads, not 3 now. I have 2 left, and my 8 hours is already showing a countdown. So you go there again, you click on the second ad. If you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome to my vlog channel. My name is Sussy, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates. I hunt for airdrop. I also share how to earn money on the side where I was for that job offer. I also share my no-fail recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks. From time to time, I also share my millinery tutorial. So yes, this is that channel you want to subscribe to. So I've watched my second ad, and I'm going to repeat the same process to watch the third ad. You can see that I've run the ads for this first 8 hours. Yeah, and it's showing 0. Now I'll come back in 7 hours, 7 minutes and some seconds to get a new set of 3 ads. So this is what you need to do. Now make sure you set an alarm that will remind you to come back in 8 hours time to do the other 3 ads for the day. Make sure you log into your Delta mining ads. So let's come down here. Now make sure you build your Delta security. I'm going to add more people to my Delta security so that this becomes 100. To this security circle, I'll add more manually so that this becomes 100. Now, another thing I want to tell you is, if you're finding it difficult to log into your Delta app after updating, just join the Telegram channel. We have perfect solution for you. So if you click on this tab, just like click on anywhere of this mining circle, just click on it. You are going to see that there is a mining rate for everyone. We're mining 4.0 Delta coins everyone. So what does this imply? When Delta mining app came up and there were around 3k, that is 3,000 people population, we're mining these 32 Delta tokens per person every day. But as the number keep increasing, the number of people keep increasing, the mining rate start decreasing. We started from 32, we now went to 16. Then when it's now increased to 300, we now went to 8. So as it's increasing, it's now be coming down. So now we are in 4. That is where our mining rate per day is 4, and that is under this 3 million. For every person directly recommended, when the person's the mining state, your mining rate will be increased by a quarter of the base rate. So like I said, the more you increase, the more you refer, the more your own mining rate increases. In addition, the mining status of your referral will also be calculated into your direct referral reward. That is for direct referrals. So if you watched my video to this point, thank you very much for your patience. Please do me a favor to remember to subscribe, join our Delta Mining Security Circle platform, and let's build an offline community that's going to earn us more. So that is all for me for now. See you in that subsequent video. Bye for now.